Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add transitions onto your videos on Alight Motion. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Alight Motion application on your device. And after opening it up, you can proceed with choosing any of your old projects to continue editing, or you can tap on the plus icon to create your new project. In order to transition between two different videos, tap on the tutorials option at the bottom section. From the tutorial menu, you will see the spin cut transition option. If you scroll down, once you find this option, tap on the download button and then tap on import to import the spin cut transition. Once this is done importing, it will take you into the template editor menu. You can simply tap on the two boxes underneath replace media. Tap on the first box and then choose the first image or video that you want to start the footage with. After choosing your desired video and adjusting the duration as well, tap on the done button, and now you will also have the option to fit to scale. You can then tap on the second box which displays the second image and then open up your desired second transition. After choosing the second video to which you wish to transition to, tap on the done button. You can now tap on next, and now this will be added onto a brand new project. You can adjust the duration of your clips by dragging from the slider at the beginning and the end of these layers. And now when you check the final result, you will see that a smooth transition has now been added between two of your clips. And there you have it. That is how you can add transitions onto your clips on Alight Motion. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.